Blocking spam calls on iPhone filters out unwanted robocalls and telemarketers, letting you enjoy a quieter phone with only calls from people you know or want to hear from. Here's how you do that. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Under Calls, look for the option Silence Unknown Callers. Tap the toggle switch to the right of Silence Unknown Callers to turn it on. With this setting enabled, calls from numbers not saved in your contacts, recent calls, or suggested by Siri will be sent directly to voicemail without ringing your phone. You will still see them listed in your recent calls list. Aside from that, you can also manually block persistent unknown numbers. Just launch the phone app and tap on Recents in the bottom. Look for the contact you want to block and tap on the information icon in the right. Swipe up a bit and tap Block this caller. After that, you won't ever hear from that number again until you unblock it. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.